How to add phone number in Roblox. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can add phone number in Roblox, so make sure to stick with me till the end. In order to add phone number in Roblox is very simple. Go to roblox.com and simply log into your account. Then once you log into your account, you will see this type of interface where you just need to tap the gear icon from the top right, then just go to settings. Now once you go to settings, you will see all these sorts of information over here, and from here what you have to do is you can see account info, you can see personal, and you can see a couple of other information. Right now, if you have not added a phone number, you'll actually find the add phone number option over there, and then you'll be able to add them. In my case, my account is already verified with a phone number, so I don't necessarily need to do that. Or you can simply go to security and then make sure to tune in two-step verification by simply adding a phone number if that is what you are looking for. And this way you should be able to go ahead and then basically add a phone number on Roblox. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.